Okay, y'all, thank you for stopping by my channel. This is Carol with Refunction Crafts, and today I'm going to bring you a video on a regular project. But before I get started on that, I just want to show you guys some of the stuff that my husband's got going on in his shop, because he's been working real hard trying to put some stuff together for our holiday shoppers. This time of year is really big in the shop for his wood projects. So he's been working real hard trying to come up with some cool ideas and things for things that we can get in the shop for the holidays. So anyways, first I'm going to show you, he's been doing his pens, and these are those very nice bolt action pens that he makes. And this is a burled mallee wood that he used in this one, and then it's got black resin in it. So this is just one of those bolt action pens that he makes. We've sold all of the other ones that we've made, so we have these two left. Actually, some of them were gone before they ever even got a chance to go into the shop. So, and then this one is also a burled mallee, but it's a lighter color, and it is it has green resin, and you can see the green resin kind of has a little bit of sheen to it. You can see it real good there. So this is the green one. I love this. And so these are two of them that he's already finished. And then he's also making these keychains for the guys. And this is just a camouflage resin. It's a handmade resin. We buy our resin blanks from Penn State, I think it is. But anyway, so this is one that he just did, and it's a 30 caliber bullet on the end of it. And then just a silver keychain. And then this one's in gold, and I love, love, love the blank that he used in this one, because it's red. It's got the red resin. Look at how pretty that is. There's not a ton of resin in this one, but look at that wood too. It's also the burled mallee. Is that not gorgeous? It looks like marble. So anyway, this one has the gold trimmings on it, so it's a little bit different than the other ones. And right now he's in the garage working on a whole bunch of keychains and pens and things. We're going to have a whole bunch of different ones coming out. These are the ones that are particularly for the guys. I've got two of these little camo keychains. He's going to do a couple of whistle keychains, I think. We have at least one of those. And then one that's going to be a secret compartment keychain, and a couple of other just regular keychains, and then some of the slim pens. He's using some resin that we got. We got a whole bunch of blanks passed over to us from my friend Sherry. She had sent me a package initially when I first got to know Sherry, and she sent me some of my crafting stuff, and then she got a hold of me and realized that Jeff was a woodworker, and I guess she had bought a whole bunch of resin blanks, and she thought she was going to do something with them, and she just never got around to it, and she wanted to see somebody use them. So she sent us a whole tub full of resin blanks. So you're going to be seeing those in one of my future videos. But anyway, the other thing that I wanted to show you guys, so these are the pens and keychains that he made. He only made one of this red and mallee. I think he might be making another keychain of some sort with this same resin in it, but I'm not sure. It's either a keychain or a pen. I'm not sure. So we will be getting one of those in. And this is just a reminder to you guys, don't forget, in my Etsy shop, for everybody who spends $50 or more right now, you'll be entered into the raffle to win my little Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse keychain. So it's Mickey and Minnie on the inside there. Oh, there you can get a really good shot of the two of them. And it says love here, and there's, it's a shaker. And so it's got little rhinestones and things on the inside. But this is really, you guys, this keychain or purse charm, whatever you want to use it for, is absolutely gorgeous. This is, honest to goodness, one of my all-time favorites. So anybody who ends up winning this is going to be super duper happy, and you'll either have a great gift to give somebody for Christmas, or you can keep it yourself and really enjoy it. So this is another set that he made, and these are made out of white oak. And he did, these are his and hers trays. And this is a set, you guys. So he did the jewelry jar and the two trays. And I thought, what a great idea for like the bedroom, to have the jar there and then a his and hers for dropping change and jewelry at the end of the night, or what have you, on the nightstand or in the entryway. And then he also made this gorgeous jar, and it's just a storage jar. But look at how beautiful this is, you guys. And this is also white oak. He did such a beautiful job on this. I love it. It came out so nice. And this is out of like a butcher block wood. So he had a chunk of wood, a huge chunk, and it was about, I'm going to say 3 or 4 inches thick and just huge. And he just started cutting it up, and he put this on the lathe and turned it. So this is a hand-turned jar that he put on the lathe, and you know, it spins around on the lathe, and then he has tools where he hollows out the inside, and then he put with his tools, he added all of this detail, and these little spots here are actually burns. He uses a specific type of wire that he gets in both hands, and as it's spinning, that wire is hitting the wood and it's burning these details into it. And I just love this. It turned out so beautiful, and I'm really, really proud of this this set. So this is going to be a set that's going to be offered. I actually have it in my Etsy shop now. And I think it's in there. I think it's in there for $50. I think that's what we put it. I can't remember exactly, you guys. But anyway, well worth it. It's worth more than that, in my opinion. But we didn't want to go too high with the pricing. We try to keep our prices down as much as we can. And so anyway, I just wanted to show you guys, because that is a piece that I am really, really excited about. And I know whoever gets this set is going to be so happy. So anyway.